MU Class 4 Electrical Written Questions with answer. Question on the screen. Solve it step by step. The open circuit voltage of a cell as measured by a voltmeter of 100 ohm resistance was 1.5 volt and the potential difference when supplying current to a 10 ohm resistance was 1.25 volt measured by the same voltmeter. Determine the EMF and internal resistance of the cell. You can see image now. In the first condition, voltmeter resistance 100 ohm, voltmeter reading with only voltmeter connected, that is V1 1.5. Next, voltmeter reading when the cell is also supplying a 10 ohm resistance, then the voltage is 1.25. We have to calculate EMF of the cell and internal resistance. Now, first we will understand the circuit for two measurement. First, voltmeter only across the cell. The voltmeter of 100 ohm is the voltmeter of 100 ohm is the only external resistance. In the first condition, external resistance 100 ohm. So terminal voltage measured is the EMF times the voltage divided factor. Voltage divided factor will be RV divided by RV plus R. So this will be your first equation come. Okay. This is the first condition when voltmeter only across the cell. So that voltage is equal to EMF into voltage divided factor. So this is our first equation. Okay. Now voltmeter connected across the 10 ohm load. The voltmeter is connected across the 10 ohm load. The voltmeter is connected in parallel with 10 ohm load. So the combined external resistance across the cell terminals is the parallel of 10 and ohm. As we know that in the parallel series, equivalent resistance, we apply this formula. Then formula become R equivalent equal to R1, R2, R1 plus R2. So this formula we apply here and we calculated external resistance. Now we apply terminal voltage as we apply same in the first condition. So this is the EMF into this is the factor we have. Then this will be our second equation. Okay, this formula you should remember. Now we will solve this two equation. Then what we will get when above equation, from above equation we get EMF this one, and from second equation we will get EMF this one, and equalize both we will get this. Okay, now equating both equation we will get the internal resistance value. As you will find internal resistance, the value of internal resistance we will put in the equation first, or second we will get EMF. Thank you.